And one of the things that happened when they took control was one of the entities that bought about 6.5 million, about approximately a little more than 27% of the 60%, was a company called Diversified Retailing. So what happened is that Warren Buffett, a guy named Sandy Gottesman, who's on the board of Berkshire Hathaway now, and Charlie Munger formed this company called Diversified Retailing. 80% was owned by Buffett and the the Buffett partnerships, 10% by Gottesman, and 10% by the Wheeler Munger partnership. And they had raised $5.5 million of debt with the help of Goldman Sachs to buy retail operations. And actually, they bought a department store in Baltimore. And what ended up happening with the department store is they realized it was a mistake, and they were very lucky about 2 or 3 years later to be able to sell it for what they bought it for. But then they raised this debt. The debt didn't have too many covenants, and they took the $6.5 million that originally was meant to go to the department store, and they put that into blue chip as well. So basically, there was about $18.5 million of equity and about $5.5 million of debt that went in, and it became the 60% blue chip they controlled. And blue chip, with this $24 million they invested, had well over $100 million of float, and it had another 40-50 million of equity. So they had a lot of assets that they got control of without spending that much money.